So hello everyone, my name is Abhay and welcome back to my show Funny But Important. So today I am going to discuss about a topic which is very important at this time because there are a lot of children who don't play outdoor games. So I hope that you have guessed my topic. So my topic is, are outdoor games dying? So in order to discuss about this topic, I am going to invite a person who is very intelligent in every sports. So please put your hands together for Miss Pranjul Sharma. So, man, I felt very good that you came in my show.
Okay.
So I want to ask that, are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, I am feeling very comfortable.
So are you ready to answer all my questions?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So my first question is, at this time, there are a lot of children who always use mobile phone.
Yes.
They don't focus on sports and some of the children don't focus on their studies also because of
Yes.
mobile phone. But
Yes.
study is another thing and sports are another thing.
Yes.
So I want to know that what is the reason behind it that students are not playing outdoor games.
As per my opinion, in a nowadays, the students are addicted from their mobile because nowadays technology grow day by day. The too much more games were launched in a Play Store, and they were work on their mode. They don't think about like they play outside and maintain their physical strength and the mental strength, but they don't think about it. They totally addicted on their mobile phones in their home, and they play alone. So according to me, the thing was not good. But nowadays everyone do this. So all the children follow these things in their life.
Okay. So I have seen a lot of children that they play cricket, but in mobile phone, not
Yes.
in the ground. So I have said to many children that you have to play cricket in the ground. So why don't you play cricket in the ground? You play cricket in your mobile phone. So they said to me that nowadays there is no need to play cricket because there are a lot of technologies. So you can play cricket at home because now cricket is an indoor game. So what do you think about this?
According to me, the mentality is changed in every person. But I give you one example. If you are listening English in a YouTube or other platform, but you don't practice it, so it will never in your mind or in your thoughts. But if you are practiced well in a field, like as you told me, like cricket, but if you don't practice on a field or in a ground, so how can you tell to the others that you are a very good player in cricket? So the technology never give you a best place to play and to enhance your skills.
Okay, so as far as I know that there are a lot of children who know that how bad is social media and mobile phones, and they also know that sports will help them in their mental health and their physical health. So I want to know that there, there are several children who never play outdoor games. They always play indoor games, or in the indoor games they always use their mobile phones and then they play games or any social media.
Yes.
So I want to know one thing, that if there are a lot of advantages of outdoor games, so why don't people play them?
So there are a lot of advantages and disadvantages as well. Nowadays, the parents are very conscious about their children's health. They never allow to their children to go outside in a afternoon in every day. They always think about that their children should stay in their home, in front of their eyes. So they give from the beginning, from the childhood, every parents give the mobiles to their child to play, to see the videos on a YouTube. But why people mindset was changed? But there is a one reason behind it. Parents are busy in their life, so they never give their time to their children. So they give a mobile to play in a home and should stay in their home.
If I say to you that you have to give some suggestions to the children who always play indoor games and they play indoor games in the mobile phones. So which advice will you give?
The advice is given by my side is that you are play indoor game as well, but you do not stop your outdoor game. You will balance your life with indoor games as well as outdoor game, because there are lot of advantages, different advantages in indoor and outdoor games. If you play outside, you build your creativity, you build your connections with another person. But if you play in a home alone, so you will not make a relations with others peoples, or you not build a networking to the others. So according to me, balance your life with the indoor games and the outdoor games.
Okay, so it was a very nice podcast to you. So thank you so much, Pranjal ma'am, and thank you so much to all my audience.
Thank you so much.